Go. All right, so here we are. We are on Lab 1.3D, Modern Art with Polygons, Remixing Your Pinwheel. And what we're going to do, I'm going to start you off for this Python assignment, is you're going to take your old pinwheel code, your pinwheel function, or if you're in Snap the Block, from the previous assignment, and you are going to use it to create an asterisk block and a polygon block at the start to figure out to do different kinds of drawings. So what that means is that, for example, oh, hang on. All right, so I had the wrong starter code. So for example, what that means is that I have my pinwheel, it takes branches, pin size, and backup, and I also put in a branch length parameter for that. And so let's say I want to do an asterisk function or block. Now notice I'm putting it afterwards. I'm feeling like suddenly that is not as big as I want it to be. But anyway, so I'm putting it here after because I'm going to use pinwheel in there. So the asterisk is still going to take a number of branches. And you know what? I still go ahead and say, like, we're going to put pen size in there, not just for kicks to pass along. And that'll be the two parameters that I will put for asterisks. Although, let's take a quick look. What does the lab suggest you do? Oh, they put branches and branch length. All right, I'll go along with that one. And we'll do branches and branch length. There. Okay, so pen size will leave as something we fill in. So now I'm in here and I'm saying, okay, I know that really an asterisk is a pinwheel, but the backup is all the way. So it backs up the same length that it is. So now I'm going to say, we're going to do Alonzo pen size, and I'm just going to set my pen size to be like 4 here because notice I'm not passing that on. Or actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to call pinwheel right away. And I'm going to say branches is going to pass on branches. So branches from here is going to be branches over there. Then I've got pen size, and I'm going to pick 4 for pen size on that one. And here I know my backup is going to be the same as my branch length because I'm going to back up all the way. And that's it. So now my asterisk block is using my pinwheel code to draw an asterisk. So let's change this last one here to asterisk. And let's see what we've got going on here. So there's a pinwheel. Or not. Oh, asterisk takes 2 arguments. Oh, so now it's saying, oh, it takes 2 arguments. Duh, I just did that. So let's make it 8 and 20. There we go. So there's that one. And then here, there's my 8 one with a length of 20. So I can only specify how many branches and how long I want the branches to be for my asterisks. So that's swell and dandy. Now let's say I want to do a similar thing with a polygon. So I'm going to def polygon. It's going to have, maybe we'll call this sides, S-I-D, not sides, and like side length, we'll call it that as our 2 parameters. And then I'm going to write my pinwheel code, use my pinwheel to do the same thing. So branches, sides is going to translate to branches. Let's say my pen size is 4. And now my backup is going to be 0 because I'm not going to back up anything. And then I'm going to have side length, like so. All right, great. Now, oh, I didn't use it. That's silly. So we're not going to see any action there. But let's say I'm going to pretend and change my asterisk. Let's do something then. Let's pick up the pen. Alonzo, pen up. Good fellow there. Let's Alonzo. Let's do a go. Let's go to 100, 100. That's very nice. Let's put our pen down. And now let's draw a polygon. Let's do one that has 6 sides and length of 30. Right now we've got the call to pinwheel, asterisk, and polygon. Oh, very nice. So now you can see we have 3 different shapes, but look how short these other ones are. Holy moly, we've reused the pinwheel code and made our life a whole bunch easier by doing that. And that's your, oh, and then your assignment, sorry, is to carry that on. Select one or more of the options here. You can use your pinwheel code as well as maybe make a circle block and then set the pen color and then draw all these fancy things. Option 2 is to create a script that draws a blue square and then draws a red circle perfectly and size it. And then option 3 is to take these images. It's harder in Python because I'm not 100% sure how to load an image in the background, although we can figure that out. And then have Alonzo draw a little trace through there.